Good morning, Path Pointers. This is Drew Hemsley with the product team, and I'm just going to briefly give a walkthrough of an ideal application for monoline property coverage for a cannabis exposure with PathPoint. So you can see here, I'm actually within the PathPoint submission flow. Obviously, you'll want to select monoline property from the coverage select screen before you get into this flow. I'm going to detail two main changes to our submission experience by way of new questions and new tenancy types for monoline property coverage, and wrap this video up quickly to get you back to a successful quoting experience with PathPoint. So the first change is on our eligibility screen. Now, this is where we start asking questions about the exposure specifically, kind of more encompassing of the risk overall. You'll notice that here there is this kind of multi-select question to select all of the following industries, operations, or products any tenant has operations involving or related to. Marijuana, CBD, and related rather. This has been an option before, but previously this was an auto decline for our carrier partners. Now, the biggest change is that there's now some additional questions to kind of ascertain more information related to understanding if this is within our appetite. So first of all, legal dispensaries in legal states, whether it be medicinal or recreational, these are going to be the ideal candidates for monoline property. Obviously, the building owner should not have any operations involving marijuana, CBD, or related retail on the premises at any location. The building owner should not have any financial or ownership interest, etc. As you go through this, understanding, most of these are fairly obvious. For example, it needs to be in a legal state. It can't be in an illegal state at all. Now, if operations do allow for the purpose of recreational consumption via sale on the property of marijuana, that will need to be reviewed by our underwriting team. But other than that, the questions are pretty straightforward. We should be able to get you through this submission fairly quickly. The second change I want to detail is on the property details section, where we ask some almost meta information questions about the property itself to generate that quote from our carrier partners. If you scroll down here, there is a selection for a tenancy type, and I'm going to just find this here. Oh, where is it? Right here. So the tenant type here, there is a selection now specific for marijuana, CBD, or related distribution and or retail. So when you're going through a submission here, just go ahead and search for marijuana and you should be able to pull up this tenancy type. This is necessary for a submission to quote with a marijuana exposure for monoline property. So other than that, that really is the main change to the submission experience. We're very, very excited to offer this kind of coverage and appetite with PathPoint. And you can see on review, if we go back to the main screen, you can see that this did quote with one of our carrier partners. Very competitive quoting. We're very excited for this. So happy quoting, happy submissions, and we will talk to you soon.